Welcome back to learning Revit structure. In this lesson, we'll cover setting up levels. Typically, if you start a new Revit project from a template, it will probably have a level or two already created. For example, this is a structural project and it already has two levels. And I can zoom in and see level 1 and level 2, roughly about 10 feet apart. So how do we add additional levels? One method is to go to the Architecture tab on your ribbon. All the way to the right, in the Datum panel, click Level. Now, before you start placing a level, on the options bar, checkmarked is Make Plan View, which means for this level, we'll have a plan view named the same as the level. The plan view type, if I select that box, could be ceiling, floor plan, or structural plan. To create a new level, I'm going to start on one end, mouse above that end until I see the highlight so I know my levels are aligned to the lines below, move about 10 feet, and then left click to start drawing my level. Now simply drag your mouse to the other side until you see the alignment dashed line appear, then left click again to place the level. Now that's a manual way of placing a level. You also can place a level by offset and picking lines. For example, we're still in the Level command. In the Draw panel on the ribbon to the right, we can choose Pick Lines. After we select Pick Lines, we can set our offset to be 10 feet. Now, when I move my mouse over an existing level line, I see an offset line 10 feet away. To place it, simply left click. To place another one, simply left click. So you can see very easily you can actually create levels by picking lines with an automatic offset. When done, click Modify. Now since the checkbox was checked to create a floor plan for every level, if you look under your structural plans, you see you have a floor plan for each level. So as a review, in this lesson we looked at setting up levels. We looked at using the Level command from the Architecture tab to create a level. One method is to simply move your mouse from an ending of an existing level a specific distance away. When it's aligned, left click and drag the level line to the length that you want it. When you get the length that you want the level line, click again to place the level. The options on the options bar can have you create a floor plan for that level automatically. Another option is to use an offset by picking lines. To do this, when you're in the Level command, choose the Pick Line command, then set an offset for the spacing and simply hover over an existing level and you can offset a new level that given distance from that level.